Google pushed out this Gemini CLI update, and it flips the script on how terminal work actually functions. Up until now, closing your session meant losing everything, every instruction, every refinement, every piece of work you built up, gone. You'd have to reconstruct it all manually, and that's just painful. That era is officially over. Let me break down why this is critical. When you're scaling with AI, you're not just asking random questions. You're layering in context, teaching the system how your operation works, what your offer is, how you talk to customers. That stuff compounds. It gets better the longer the conversation goes. You're stuck in this loop of re-explaining basics. The output suffers. The AI forgets your preferences. It's inefficient and frustrating. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Last month, I was knee-deep in building a content pipeline for the AI Profit Boardroom, full-blown session with Gemini CLI. We were dialing in article structures, testing different headline formulas, getting the SEO optimization just right. Then my computer forced an update, restarted without warning, everything vanished. I had to rebuild from memory, re-input the SEO parameters, describe the content style all over again, explain the audience demographics. It ate up 90 minutes of pure setup time before I could even get back to actual work. This update eliminates that entire headache, and the way it works is stupid simple. Here's the breakdown. Gemini CLI now tracks everything you do, every message, every response, the full thread. It happens behind the scenes. You don't toggle anything on. You don't save manually. It just records it all. Everything sits on your local drive. So let's say your system crashes, or you close the window by accident, or you need to shut down for the night. None of that matters anymore. Next time you fire up your terminal, you type one thing, just one command. You type Gemini resume, 2 words, that's it. Boom. You're back in right where you stopped, context intact, nothing missing. You keep building like the interruption never happened, but here's where it gets crazy. And this part actually shocked me. Now, if you're trying to scale faster with AI automation, I built something for exactly that. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Gemini CLI. Link is in the comments and description. You're not stuck with just the most recent session. You can pull up any conversation you've ever had. They added a full archive system, searchable, organized. You can dig up that session from last Tuesday where you cracked the perfect workflow, load it back up, pick up where it ended. To access the archive, you type /resume inside the CLI. It pulls up your entire history, every session listed out, timestamps, context, previews. You scroll, find what you need, click it, and you're live in that conversation again. It's like having a DVR for your AI work. Let me walk you through how this plays out in real business scenarios. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, one of the biggest pain points people hit is keeping their AI outputs consistent. They need landing page copy, ad scripts, sales emails, and they want AI to handle it. But if the AI doesn't remember your brand guidelines, your tone, your customer pain points, the output is all over the place. Generic, forgettable, useless. Here's how I use session saving to solve that. I create what I call a brand DNA session. I open Gemini CLI and spend one focused session downloading everything about a specific business. Let's say somebody runs a SaaS company selling project management software. I walk Gemini through their positioning, their competitors, the objections they hear, the results their customers get, their writing style, the words they avoid. I test outputs, tweak them, refine until the AI is nailing their voice. Then I close it. Now, anytime that person needs fresh content, I don't start over. I just pull up that brand DNA session. Gemini already knows the company inside and out, that the voice is locked in. The messaging is consistent. Every piece of content matches, and it takes 0 extra setup time. This cuts content production time by more than half. Before this feature, I'd keep a massive Google Doc, pages and pages of brand notes, tone examples, do's and don'ts. I'd copy paste it into every new chat. It was slow. I'd miss details. Things would drift off brand because I forgot to include something important. Now it's automatic. The system remembers everything perfectly. Here's another workflow I'm running with this. I build multi-step automations for the AI Profit Boardroom. We're talking lead magnets, onboarding flows, drip campaigns, stuff that needs multiple pieces working together. These aren't quick projects. They take planning, testing, iteration, and I definitely can't knock them out in one go. So here's the move. I start a session focused on one automation. Maybe I'm designing a welcome sequence for new community members. I map out the email cadence, write the first few messages, set up the tone and pacing. Then something comes up, client call, team meeting, whatever. In the old world, I'd scramble to document where I left off, export everything, save it somewhere, try not to lose the thread. Nightmare. Now, I just exit. When I'm ready to continue, I reload that session. Gemini knows exactly what automation we're building, what we've finished, what's next on the list, zero ramp uptime. I jump straight back into creating. And the archive browser makes this even more powerful because I'm juggling multiple projects. I've got separate sessions for different automations, one for email sequences, one for social schedulers, one for client onboarding. Each session is its own contained project with full context and history. I hop between them based on priority, no cross contamination, no confusion. Think about what this unlocks for how you operate. Before this, terminal AI felt like talking to someone with zero memory. Every new conversation starts cold. They don't know you. They don't know your business. You're teaching from square one every single time. It's draining, and it caps how useful the tool can actually be because you never build momentum. Now it's like having a team member with perfect recall. They remember every strategy discussion, every preference you've mentioned, every detail about how you work. So every conversation picks up where the last one ended. The AI gets sharper, more tuned to your exact needs, more valuable every time you use it. This is a game changer for anyone in the AI profit boardroom trying to build real systems. You're not dabbling with AI for surface level stuff. You're constructing workflows, optimizing processes, developing repeatable systems at scale. That requires iteration, feedback loops, continuous improvement, and session saving makes all of that possible without the constant friction of resetting. If you're ready to go all in on AI automation, I've got exactly what you need. The AI Profit Boardroom is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Gemini CLI. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Links are in the comments and description.